going to be showing you guys how I use this product, Wunderbrow. I've tried pomades, I've tried like the Anastasia brow thing. I don't care for it, it doesn't really last long for me. I've tried the Maybelline Tattoo Studio brow gel that claims that it stays on for 2 days, and I feel like it's still, I mean it's good, but it still doesn't last as long as Wunderbrow. I keep coming back to Wunderbrow. So good that I made a monthly Amazon subscription to it, so I actually only go through it maybe every other month, but that tells you how much I like it. So if you're interested in watching on how I do these brows here, keep on watching. Okay, so what I like to do first is prep my brows by just grooming them, combing them through with the spoolie. Then I'll take an angled brush like this. Then what I'll do is I'll take the cap and I'll take my brush and take the product right off of this brush, because this brush is kind of like a lip gloss type applicator, which I don't like. So for this side, more so at the top of my eyebrows is where it's more sparse. So I'll do that. I'll zoom in a little bit more. So I'll start like in the middle, then from there I'll take the leftover and make an outline. I'll probably dip back maybe like once or twice. So there's the tail. Maybe I'll extend it a little bit more. But you'll find that it's not very opaque. So then I'll take the leftover. I didn't dip back in, but I'll take the leftover and then fill in the front. So that's what that looks like. This is before, this is after. So you could honestly just wear this by itself, like as a natural everyday look. But since I'm doing, since I have a full face of makeup, I'm gonna do a full eyebrow. I think Wunderbrow as like a primer, so from there I'll use a powder and a pencil. I'll start with the powder, and I'm using NYX in Taupe Ash. So then I'll go in with the gray and I'll go into the arch of my brow, or pretty much wherever I find that it's lighter. So up here it's a little light, so I'm gonna fill it in up here. I like to take the powder to blend in the front. I do like a back and forth motion and to kind of like smudge out the front. And then if I want to make any darker lines, then I'll take the pencil, and I'm using Maybelline's Brow Precise Micro Pencil, and this is in, I don't know, couldn't tell you. It doesn't say how dark it is or what the shade is, but it's like a medium to dark brown, I think. So then I'm just going to create some strokes in the front here. And when I'm doing a full brow, I kind of like to make a definite outline of my brow. So you can tell right here it's a little sparse, so I'm going to go in and fill in right there. Then I like to make a line going from the front all the way to the back, but I don't start from the very front. I start from like maybe a little bit before, like right there. And again, you want to use a really light hand. And make an outline. Like so. And I feel like that really sharpens everything up. Then from there you want to do the same thing but on the outside. So fill this in. Now same thing with where I started. I'm gonna end just right about there. Maybe take it up just a little bit. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the other end and I'm gonna blend those hard lines out. It just softens it just enough. Now I'm kind of OCD about my eyebrows, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but like there's a splotch right there. So I'm gonna take my pencil and just put a line right there. And right here. Then I like to take a like silicone spoolie and blend that out. So I actually bought like a pack of these for super cheap on Wish or Amazon. You can get a pack this much and it lasts you forever. So I like to take that and blend it out. Like so. I'll use a back and forth motion like this, but not too far deep, but it blends it out really nicely. And there you have it. Now, I like to take a little concealer and just clean up the end and make it really nice and sharp. Especially the tail, because the tail is a little messy. I think I need to fill in just a little bit. Okay. So I'll take a flat brush, and I'm using this Urban Decay brush, like the flat side. I'm gonna take my concealer, and you can use any concealer. You want to use something slightly lighter than your natural skin color. So I'm using this Maybelline Age Rewind. I'm taking a little bit like this. A little bit goes a long way, so. And just outline it. Now this will erase anything that you've made a mistake with, or it'll highlight the underneath. And that's as far as I'll go with concealing. I don't care to conceal the top because I don't think it needs it. So then I'll set it with some gel, and I like to use e.l.f. Clear Mascara and Brow Gel. I think that the gel is the same on both sides, so I just use both sides. Then I'll take the gel and comb it, set it in place. And it keeps the hairs in check all day long. And there you have it. Before, after. Alright, so this is the final look. Eyebrows all done, with my makeup all done. If you want to see how I did my makeup, comment below. If you want to see anything else, comment below. Let me know what you think. Make sure you like my video, make sure you subscribe, and thumbs up. Thanks for watching.